All right, Print Fam, Saturday. Bob and I are both tired. Bob is here again, 3 days in a row. He's over here. So we're working on a job for Bob. We don't care about showing you this one. So it's a trailer that we're wrapping. I didn't do much, but I helped a little to remove the old graphics off the trailer. Bob removed most of it, and then he went and washed it, so it's now nice and clean. And we just bought some HP Prime Gloss Air 8G. Is that what it is?
GP.
Air GP, thanks to the recommendation of Alvalu Designs. Link to their YouTube channel in the description. So we're gonna print on that and see how it goes. I actually am excited because it has the air release, so putting it on a trailer should be beautiful. So we'll get this printed and then maybe we'll even show you putting it on the trailer. So let's get going. All right, Print Fam, at the gas station. Just barely stopped and talked with one of my customers. They need to get some shirts and some hats and a few decals made. So, met with them, kind of to catch up for what happened after the trailer install with Bob. We finished the other two sides up and he took it back to his customer. And I went in and worked on a website. So I've got a customer that I'm building their front end website. So I've got most of that finished. Now we just need to finalize the images that we're doing. My web design is nothing special. Everything I do is with WordPress using the Divi theme. So everything's kind of drag and drop. In a past life, I was a very short-term programmer. So I know enough to be dangerous, but not enough to do much. So I rely on WordPress and just do a few things for customers that way. So now tank's on empty. So I've got to fill up, then get home and do a couple more things. I'm not sure how much more I'm going to do tonight, but I'll keep you posted. So see you in a bit. All right, guys, I got a business card design ordered from my outsourced supplier, going to a company in Arizona. So they ordered 2 sets of 1,000, so I got that ordered. They approved them earlier today. Other than that, I do have a few things I could do. I've got a business card I need to design and a few shirts I need to finish the designs for. But I'm just gonna call it a night. It's about 11:30 right now, and I've just been going to bed way too late. I'll probably end up going and laying in bed and not being able to fall asleep, so I probably end up going to bed pretty late, but at least I'll be in bed kind of resting. So thanks for watching as always. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments. And as far as my goal, I didn't make it today. Didn't bring in any money. So have a good one. It's Saturday for me. No vlogging tomorrow. Plus, I forgot to release the vlog the other day. So there's quite a few in the queue. So hopefully I'll edit some tomorrow since Cam's gone. I miss him. I miss you, Cam. Bye.